Intention is to have IETT, TK, and IEK work together for the common, for the wealth of the technologists, technicians, craftsmen, and artisans over here who are qualified and with all the skills that are necessary for nation building. We will want to see the government and the people of Kenya emphasize more on STEM. That is the heart of an economy. So as it stands right now, we want to tell the government that we are now in a position where we can construct our roads, our power plants, our water irrigation projects with minimum input from foreign countries.
With the skills and career development, to give also the youth and also to increase the capacity of our youths who are not employment.
Murari wito ni hogo krogetiri heragi kojo